Hello, thank you for joining me. Today we're going to cover Venus in Gemini. So, Venus is planet of love, money, happiness, comforts, relationships, harmony, the arts, all of the arts, and everything good in life really, self-worth, and it's non-judgmental, non-aggressive, and it's all about fairness. And so Gemini is the third natural sign of the zodiac. So in the first sign, Aries, we were born. In the second house, we had sustenance and support from our family. And now in the third house, we have grown up a little bit. We've started to talk and interact with the world. So Gemini is the natural house of communication. It's an air sign. And what happens is, in this sign, we want to interact with others. We understand communication, that we can make sounds, and any form of communication, from texting to talking to writing to social media, all of that, any form of communication with the world, it is all about Gemini. Gemini is activated. It also is all about the games, it's comedy, it's short distance travel, it's things that you do with your hands, friends, neighbours, siblings, everybody is in, everything like that is in the third house. So you bring in those two things together. So this obviously puts planet of beauty in the house of communication. So these people, if Venus is not afflicted, will have a beautiful voice. So they could be singers, they could be orators, opera singers, people like that. And they will have a beautiful speech. Even when they write, they will actually be nice, good at writing. And actually this is a sign probably for somebody, could be a writer, write romantic books, novels, things like that. So somebody with Venus there, because it's obviously Venus is how we love and what we love. They will look for a partner who can also be their friend, so they can have a lot of interactions. They will do, because all activities like walking, running, hiking, skiing, all of those, they all are Gemini, ruled by Gemini. So they want somebody that they can do things with. So they're not just lovers, they're also friends. They want to interact and connect with them on that level as well. And they actually, as a Gemini, Geminis normally, if you've got planets there, friends are very important to you, or even third house really. So friends are important. They like to catch up with their friends, and like this new thing about let's meet up for a coffee or a cup of tea, let's catch up. It's very Gemini. And they like to chit chat what's going on in people's lives. They can be a little bit gossipy, so yeah, they need to know. So they will often, you'll find them that they're on their phone checking to see who's doing what on Facebook or on I don't know, the other social media things, you know. So yeah, they very much like to know what's going on and what's happening in people's lives. And I think there is a general misunderstanding that Scorpio is a very sexual sign. Well, it is sexually intense sign, but a sexual sign, Gemini is a very sexual sign. So you will find that Venus here in a dual sign, because Gemini is a dual sign, will be somebody who's quite playful, quite flirty, can be a little bit fickle, can play mind games and be slightly seductive if Venus is afflicted. And they can actually meet their partner also on a dating site, because anything to do with communication, phones and stuff like that, and dating, this is all to do with Gemini. So they could end up having lots of dates before they meet the one. And I'm not saying that somebody with Venus that is unafflicted in in Gemini will not have like one long-lasting relationship, not at all. But they are more likely, because of it being in a dual sign, to have more relationships and just learn through relationships as well. And but generally speaking, you know, this is a good placement because Venus and Mercury are good friends. So and as such, they can also be, obviously, Gemini is also a sign of business people, merchants as well. So these people could possibly be really into buying and selling as well. So, and they will be really good at it because they naturally have that gift of the gab. You know, they can give you the whole spiel and do it nicely as well with Venus being there. So you will trust them because they will be good at it. Obviously, they will be good writers, and also they could have a fantastic handwriting, or be into something like calligraphy. Yeah, so it is a nice placement actually because they're so friendly towards each other. And so just wanted to say, if you want to strengthen your Venus, you can do Venus mantras. I shall put those up. And also Venus, if you want to strengthen your Venus, you really want to just like be mindful that it rules Fridays, and the colour of Venus is white. So why not wear something white and crisp on a Friday, or allow yourself to have 30 minutes downtime and just be and enjoy relaxing, taking a bath, reading a book, or something like that to improve your Venus. We could all do with having a nice Venus. So that's it for today. I shall look forward to seeing you on the next one, Venus in Cancer. Thank you.